Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create AI videos on mobile. So if you want to make AI powered videos directly on your phone, here I'll guide you through the process of creating AI videos on mobile. Whether you're making content for YouTube Short, TikTok or Instagram Reels, this guide has you covered. So first, I'm going to show you the apps that I'm going to use. First, I'm going to use Gemini for image generations, and for the video generation, I'm going to use Pix first. So let's just generate the image first. In here, you can just open Gemini app and then tap on and create image to use the Nano Banana feature, and then you can just choose the prompt that you want. But in here I'm using this prompt to create a realistic 8K resolution cinematic of image of a person crouching beside a powerful black horse in a snow. And you can just tap on the plus icon and go to the gallery to turn the photo or edit the photo that you want for the image generation. So for example, in here I'm going to use this photos right here. You can tap on done, and then you can just click on this one to generate the result. Okay, so once the image is done, you can just scroll down. So here is the result for my prompt in here, and let's just download the image. You can click on the photo and click on this drop down to save it to your gallery. Now let's open Pic first to turn it into an AI video. So on Pic first, you'll see lots of template that you can use for AI videos. But in here, you can also click on the plus button to just create the image from scratch. So you can just upload your image right here. Okay, so I've already added the image right here. In here you can just imagine something about the image. Here you can adjust the quality. If you are on pro, you can choose up to 1080p for best quality, or you can also go with a 540. You can see I have 3 time lapse, so you can just imagine something about image. So the man, okay, I'm going to just go with that, let's say. And in here you can just tap on create and just wait for the result. You can see your video is generating. It will notice when if it's ready, so you can just wait until the result is out. You can see in here it's still generating. Okay, so now it's done. You can just open the video and here is the result. So from image you can now have a video. You can share it on your TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, or any other social media. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.